Hello students, how are you all? So today we will study the chapter 10 of our English language book, that is simple present tense. So first we will do the exercise and then we will understand what is simple present tense. So let's begin. Take the sentence that tell us about things that happens always or regularly. So students, in this there are 6 points and we have to tell what we do regularly or always, okay, and we have to cross those sentences which we don't do regularly. So let's do it. First one, Mahesh got into a fight yesterday. So students, Mahesh got into a fight yesterday. So it doesn't happens regularly, so we will cross it like this, okay. The sun sets in the west. So student, sun always sets in the west. So this happens regularly. So we will tick mark it. Then third one, I wash my car on Sundays. So there is a person who washes his car on Sundays, on every week. So this is also happens regularly. That means on every Sunday. So we will tick mark it. Okay. Then there is fourth one, Ritu is going to Kolkata next month. So here is Ritu, a girl who is going to Kolkata next month. So this is also doesn't happen regularly. So we will cross it like this. Then fifth one, the food was finished by the time we reached. So the food was finished by the time we reached. This is also doesn't happen regularly. So we will cross it like this. Okay. Then Mrs. Dorje practice karate in the morning. So student, there is a lady who practices the karate daily. So this is also happens always or regularly. So we will tick mark it like this. So let's understand this exercise. We all have noticed that the second sentence that tells us something that is always true. The third sentence tells us something that happens at a specific time regularly or a habit. The sixth sentence tells us something that happens every day, a habit. Like students, in the second sentence, we are discussing about the sun sets in the west. That means it happens regularly. It's a fact that sun sets in the west. Okay. And the third sentence is, I wash my car on Sundays. So this has also happened regularly, that if there is a person on Sunday who washes his car. And the sixth one, that is also happens regularly, like the girl is used to practice the karate on every morning. Okay students, so that means that is also a habit and these things also happens regularly. So all these sentences are the simple present tense. The simple present tense tells us that an action takes place often or regularly, or that is always true. And being verb is, I am and are, and the belonging verbs has and have are verbs of the simple present tense. So students, the simple present tense is a tense which describe the action which takes place regularly or always. And they are, in this simple present tense we use is, I am and are as a verb, being verb, and the belonging verbs which we have has and have in the present simple present tense. So let's do the another exercise and we will understand more. Choose the most appropriate verb from the box to make sentence in the simple present tense. So now we have to choose the verb which complete these sentences. Okay, so let's begin. Kareem dash a book every week. So what Kareem does? Kareem reads a book every week. So we will write here reads. Okay, like this. The second one, the ostrich dash very fast. So what ostrich does? Ostrich runs very fast. Runs very fast. Okay, students. So the another one, Lena always dash a healthy dinner. So Lena always eats a healthy dinner. Eats a healthy dinner. Then the fourth one, school dash at 8 o'clock in winter. So school begins at 8 o'clock in winter. And the fifth one, Mala collects flowers from whenever she goes. So we will going to write collects. Flowers from wherever she goes. So the another one, we dash a picnic every year on New Year's Day. So we organize a picnic every year on New Year's Day. So we will going to write organize a picnic every year. Okay, students. So these are the verbs which we have used in the simple present tense. So let's see. Notice how the forms of verb in simple present tense change with changes in nouns and pronouns. For example, Shaila's repairs cars. I play the organ. Shaila and Sanjay repair cars. The workers repair cars. She plays the organ. They plays the organ. So students, here we can find some differences in the verb which we going to use in the simple present tense, and it changes with the nouns and the pronouns. The verb in the simple present tense are used with S for singular nouns and pronoun except I, and without S are plural nouns and all pronouns. Okay, students. So in this, the verbs, nouns and pronoun changes with the simple present tense. Like for an example, it repairs cars. Shaila repairs car. Okay, and the next sentence is Shaila and Sanjay repairs car. Repair car. Matlab, these are two people who repairs the car. And in the next one, I play the organ. Okay, she plays the organ. So that means we now we will be using S, plays the organ, and they play the organ. So here also we are using singular and plural verbs in the simple present tense. Okay, students. So this is how we have come to the end of the part 1 of this video, and in the another part we will discuss the further points of this chapter. So thank you, class. Have a nice day.